Welcome to this lesson on permutations. Today we will explore how to count the number of ways to arrange a set of objects, and we will understand the concept of factorials. First, let's define what a permutation is. Simply put, a permutation is a specific arrangement of a set of objects where the order matters. For example, the arrangement A followed by B is distinct from B followed by A. If you change the order, you have a new permutation. Let's look at a visual example. Imagine we have 3 balls, red, green, and blue. How many different ways can we line them up? By listing them out, we can see there are exactly 6 distinct arrangements. Each lineup is a unique permutation. To calculate this without listing everything, we can use the slot method. Think of 3 empty positions. For the first position, we have 3 choices. After picking one, we have 2 choices left for the second position. Finally, we have only 1 choice left for the last spot. This leads us to the fundamental counting principle. To find the total number of arrangements, we simply multiply the number of choices for each step. 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. This confirms our visual count. This pattern of multiplying decreasing integers appears so often in mathematics that it has its own symbol. It is written as n followed by an exclamation mark, and it is read as n factorial. It represents the product of all positive integers from n down to 1. Here are some examples of calculating factorials. 1 factorial is just 1, 2 factorial is 2 times 1, 3 factorial is 6. As the number increases, the value grows very quickly. 5 factorial is 120. Let's apply this to a real-world scenario. Suppose you have 5 distinct books and you want to arrange them on a shelf. Since we are arranging 5 distinct items, the number of permutations is 5 factorial, which equals 120 different ways. We can now state the general rule. The number of ways to arrange n distinct objects is simply n factorial. This simple formula allows us to solve arrangement problems instantly without listing every possibility. To summarize, remember that a permutation is an arrangement where order matters. We use the multiplication principle to count these arrangements. The shorthand for this calculation is the factorial notation. Arranging n objects always results in n factorial possibilities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.